Brazil, the land of samba and soccer, pulsates with vibrant energy. This South American giant is a feast for the senses. From its sun-kissed beaches to its verdant rainforests, Brazil is a kaleidoscope of breathtaking landscapes. Join me as we embark on a visual journey through this captivating country. Discover the beauty that defines Brazil's soul. Our journey begins in Rio de Janeiro, a city where natural beauty meets urban splendor. Picture yourself strolling along the iconic Copacabana beach, the golden sand warm beneath your feet. The sun dips low, casting a warm glow over the Atlantic. You watch children playing soccer, their laughter echoing the rhythm of the waves. This is Rio, a city that lives and breathes joy. No trip to Rio is complete without experiencing the awe-inspiring Sugarloaf mountain. Ascend to its summit via cable car, the city sprawling beneath you like a vibrant tapestry. From this vantage point, the sheer scale of Rio unfolds. The iconic Christ the Redeemer statue stands sentinel in the distance, a symbol of hope overlooking the city. Take a deep breath and let the moment wash over you. As night descends, the city transforms into a magical spectacle. Lights twinkle from the favelas clinging to the hillsides, each light representing a story. The air thrums with music, a blend of samba rhythms and the murmur of conversation. Rio's energy is contagious. It's a city that invites you to dance, to sing, to embrace life in all its fullness. My own experience in Rio was marked by the warmth and openness of its people. I vividly recall sharing a laugh with a group of locals while watching a street performance. Their joy was infectious, their love for their city evident in every smile and gesture. This encounter, like the city itself, was a vibrant tapestry of human connection and natural beauty. Leaving the coast, we venture inland to the heart of South America. Prepare to be humbled by the raw power of Iguazu Falls. Imagine standing on a precipice, the air thick with mist. Before you, a curtain of water cascades into the chasm below with a deafening roar. This is Iguazu, a testament to nature's awe-inspiring power. The falls straddle the border of Brazil and Argentina, a testament to the unifying power of nature. Over 275 individual cascades plunge into the gorge, creating a spectacle that defies description. The air vibrates with the roar of the water, a sound both terrifying and exhilarating. You can feel the spray on your face, a refreshing kiss of nature. Take a boat trip to the base of the falls for a truly immersive experience. The roar of the water intensifies, the mist enveloping you like a cool embrace. Look up and witness the sheer power of the cascades as they thunder into the river below. You'll be left speechless by the sheer magnitude of this natural wonder. I still remember the first time I witnessed Iguazu Falls. I was traveling with my wife and we stood there hand in hand, mesmerized by the spectacle. It was a moment of shared wonder, a reminder of the incredible beauty our planet holds. We felt humbled by the power of nature, grateful for the opportunity to witness such a spectacle. Our journey continues deep into the Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet. Imagine stepping off the plain, the air thick with humidity and the scent of damp earth. The rainforest envelops you, its dense canopy filtering the sunlight. This is the Amazon, a world teeming with life in its most primal form. Embark on a riverboat adventure along the Amazon River, the lifeblood of this ecosystem. Observe the vibrant tapestry of life that unfolds along its banks. Monkeys swing through the trees, their calls echoing through the forest. Colorful macaws flit through the canopy, their feathers a flash of brilliance against the green. This is a place where nature reigns supreme. Spend a night in an eco-lodge, listening to the symphony of the rainforest as darkness falls. The air hums with the chirping of insects, the croaking of frogs, and the distant calls of nocturnal creatures. This is a sensory experience unlike any other, a chance to connect with nature on a primal level. My own experience in the Amazon was a profound one. I spent a week trekking through the rainforest with a local guide, learning about the delicate balance of life in this ecosystem. We encountered indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the jungle for centuries. It was a humbling experience to witness their deep connection to nature, their respect for the delicate balance of life in the rainforest. Lençóis Maranhenses, where dunes meet the azure sky. Our next stop takes us to the otherworldly landscapes of Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. Imagine a vast expanse of white sand dunes stretching as far as the eye can see. Between the dunes, crystal-clear lagoons shimmer under the Brazilian sun. This is Lonquois Maranhenses, a surreal paradise on the northeastern coast of Brazil. Explore the dunes on foot, feeling the fine sand beneath your toes. The landscape constantly shifts and changes, sculpted by the wind and rain. Each step reveals a new vista, a new perspective on this ever-changing masterpiece. The silence is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind. As you reach the crest of a dune, a breathtaking sight awaits. Below, turquoise lagoons shimmer like jewels scattered across the white expanse. These temporary oases form during the rainy season, creating a surreal and breathtaking landscape. Take a dip in the cool, refreshing water, surrounded by the silence of the dunes. My visit to Lonquois Maranhenses coincided with the rainy season. The lagoons were full and teeming with life. We spent our days swimming in the crystal-clear water, exploring the dunes, and marveling at the surreal beauty of this unique ecosystem. It was like stepping onto another planet, a testament to the diversity and wonder of our own. Chapada Diamantina, a hiker's paradise. For the adventurous traveler, Chapada Diamantina National Park offers a different kind of beauty. Imagine towering plateaus, their edges plunging into verdant valleys. Waterfalls cascade from the heights, feeding crystal-clear rivers that wind their way through the lush vegetation. This is Chapada Diamantina, a hiker's paradise in the heart of Bahia. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on a trek through this breathtaking landscape. Trails wind through dense forests, leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. The air is fresh and invigorating, filled with the scent of pine and damp earth. With each step, you'll feel your connection to nature deepen. Cool off with a swim in one of the many natural pools fed by the waterfalls. The water is crystal clear, reflecting the blue sky above. Surrounded by lush vegetation and the sound of birdsong, you'll feel a million miles from the stresses of everyday life. I have fond memories of hiking through Chapada Diamantina with my son. We spent our days exploring hidden trails, discovering secluded waterfalls, and marveling at the diversity of plant and animal life. It was a chance to bond with my son while immersing ourselves in the beauty of the natural world. Ouro Preto, a glimpse into Brazil's golden past. Our journey wouldn't be complete without delving into Brazil's rich history and culture. Step back in time in Ouro Preto, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was once at the heart of Brazil's gold rush. Imagine cobblestone streets winding their way up steep hillsides lined with grand colonial-era buildings. This is Ouro Preto, a living museum of Brazil's golden age. Wander through the town's historic center, its narrow streets lined with charming shops and cafes. Step inside one of the many ornate churches, their interiors adorned with gold leaf and intricate carvings. These churches stand as a testament to the wealth and piety of Ouro Preto's bygone era. Visit one of the former gold mines that dot the surrounding hillsides. Descend into the depths of the earth and imagine the toil and danger faced by the miners who once worked these tunnels. Their legacy lives on in the town's architecture and culture, a reminder of the human cost of gold fever. Ouro Preto left a deep impression on me. The town's beauty is not just skin deep, it's a beauty etched in history, in the stories whispered by the cobblestones and the echoes of the past that resonate within its churches. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history, the echoes of a bygone era. From the golden hues of Ouro Preto, we travel north to the vibrant city of Olinda. Imagine colorful colonial buildings perched atop a hill, overlooking the sparkling blue Atlantic. Narrow streets wind through the historic center, alive with the rhythms of Brazilian music. This is Olinda, a city where history and culture collide in a riot of color and sound. Get lost in Olinda's labyrinthine streets, each turn revealing a new surprise. Admire the brightly painted houses, their facades adorned with intricate tile work. Duck into a local artisan's workshop and watch as they create beautiful handicrafts, their skills passed down through generations. During Carnival, Olinda explodes in a celebration of life. Join the throngs of revelers as they dance through the streets, their bodies swaying to the infectious rhythms of frevo and maracatu. The air thrums with energy, the streets a kaleidoscope of color and movement. I'll never forget my first carnival in Olinda. The energy was infectious, the streets a riot of color and sound. We danced until dawn, caught up in the joyous spirit of celebration. It was a reminder of the power of music and dance to unite people, to transcend cultural barriers and create moments of pure joy. Our visual journey concludes in Bonito, a destination that reveals the hidden beauty beneath Brazil's surface. Imagine crystal-clear rivers flowing through dense jungle, their waters home to a dazzling array of fish. Explore vast caverns adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, their silence broken only by the drip of water. This is Bonito, a subterranean wonderland in the heart of Mato Grosso do Sul. Don your snorkel and dive into the transparent waters of the Rio de Prata. Swim alongside schools of colorful fish, their scales shimmering in the sunlight that filters through the water. Explore underwater caves, their walls adorned with delicate rock formations. Venture into the Gruta do Lago Azul, a flooded cave whose beauty will leave you breathless. Descend into its depths and marvel at the azure blue of the water, illuminated by the sunlight that streams through an opening above. The cave's silence is profound, broken only by the sound of your own breathing. My trip to Bonito was a revelation. I'd never experienced anything quite like swimming in those crystal-clear rivers, surrounded by such vibrant aquatic life. It was like entering another world, a hidden realm of beauty and tranquility. As we conclude our visual journey through Brazil's breathtaking landscapes, take a moment to reflect on the power of nature to inspire and awe. From the iconic beaches of Rio to the depths of the Amazon rainforest, Brazil's beauty knows no bounds. It's a country that awakens the senses, that reminds us of the incredible diversity and wonder of our planet. Now, it's your turn. I invite you to share your own experiences of awe-inspiring landscapes from around the world. What places have left an indelible mark on your soul? Let's continue this journey of discovery together, sharing our stories and celebrating the beauty that surrounds us. Head over to our website and share your favorite travel photos and stories. Let's inspire each other to explore new horizons, to appreciate the beauty of our planet, and to connect with people from all walks of life. Remember, travel is more than just seeing new places. It's about broadening our perspectives, fostering cultural understanding, and making the world a more compassionate and connected place. So, pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and let's explore the world together.